I got some exciting news. Sorry, like all busted right now. It's just so hot, and I just showered, barely putting on my makeup. But I am getting my fridge today, my skincare fridge today. So if you want to see how it looks and how it works and everything, just stay tuned and keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe. All right. See you right now. Okay, guys. So I got my mini fridge. I just got it literally right now. It came in the mail. Looks like that, and it's this big. I'm so excited. You don't even know how excited I am. Sorry about my face. My makeup looks like shit, but I have to go to work like in like an hour or two. And honestly, it's too hot for me to put on full face makeup for only 3-hour shift. Not worth it. Okay, I'm opening it. Sorry, my setup's a little weird. I just got a new bed, so we like rearranged everything in our room. So we're still in the process of fixing the room. Alright, are you guys ready? I know I am. Okay. This is so cool. So it looks like this. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. So I've been seeing a lot of videos like and a lot of people getting into beauty fridges for skincare, and since I've been getting more into skincare, I thought might as well try it out, see what's so hop on the bandwagon, you know. And I'm actually excited, and I've been actually taking really good care of my skin, so I've noticed a difference. So this is how it looks when you open it. You don't need that. And that. And this either. Alright. This is so cute. I am so excited. It even has a handle. And let's see what else. Is there like, and the only thing I find weird is that there's no instructions unless it's inside the fridge. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So this basically says that it could be used, let me show you, it could be used as like to keep your, it doesn't have to be for skincare, even though facetory is known for like their K-beauty and skincare and face masks and stuff. But it says that it's for cold and it has a heat warmer. So like you can see warm, cold, I don't know, AC, DC, I don't know what the hell that is yet. And it has like these like fans or whatever, because I guess it like blows out air or something like that. So it says you could keep this in the car, you could keep it like when you're going hiking, you could take it like people for dorms. It's not only just for skincare, you could use it for food. And let me show you how it looks. So and it comes with obviously the connection and a little door handle. So I'm gonna put it on right now. Oh, okay, it goes like this. So that's how it looks. So you put on the door handle like for your face masks. This is really cute. It's pretty big too. So I'm gonna set it up so I can show you guys. So I was looking at the instructions. Pretty cool look. This is a basic plug-in for like home. Also have one for the car. That's cool. It's an actual car plug-in. So you could take this fridge with you anywhere inside the car and still keep your stuff cold. So this is pretty cool. I'm so excited about this. I'm getting it in right now. I am going to do this right now. Damn, it's so hot. Okay, so I came towards my vanity, and let me show you right now how it looks on my vanity so far. One sec. I just plugged it in too so I could get cool. Let me show you right now. So it looks like that. And I got some items right here that I thought would probably be okay to put it in for now. So let's, it's not cold yet, but I mean regardless I could still put it in. So I'm gonna put my face masks here and then figure out how this goes. So that could go there, as long as this one as well. Probably put the charcoal one in the back, and I do have another face mask. I also got my Walmart box, and it came with a few different things. But I did get a new face mask, so I'm putting it in here too as well. And there's still room, like as you can see, to fit more masks. Okay, that's literally just one shelf. I could literally put this one on top of the others. Let's see. But I'm scared it's gonna fall. I could put it like that actually. It's literally just one shelf and I still have two more. Or I could take these out. But I'm thinking of leaving it. Looks so pretty. I love it. So let me show you the overall. The handle, the fridge, side, and how you open it, you push open. And it's kind of getting cold already. That's pretty fast. Supposedly it says it takes 2 to 3 hours. But it's getting pretty cold already, so I'm excited. By the time I probably get back from work, it's gonna be cold. Oh, and I forgot to put my jasmine roller in. I'm gonna put it right here. Just like that. So there it is. I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be doing more videos. I've been gone for so long, but I'm sorry. I will be back and I'll be uploading videos back to back. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Try it out yourself. I'll leave the link down below in my description where you can get it and how much it is. I did pay like $95, I think, or $93 for the whole thing. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Subscribe and I will see you in my next videos. Bye.